seamless water loop in CapCut for beginners. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is obviously have whatever you want in your timeline like so. Now what I'm going to do is hold down Alt on my keyboard and then drag it, and I want to put it on another layer like so, and I want to make sure like towards the end it looks something like this. Now all I want to go ahead and do is, once I'm done with that stage, is basically just go ahead and cut. Like right now it starts like right over here, right? So all I gotta go ahead and do is highlight this, and then all I want to do is go to basic, and then I'm going to see a lot of different things, but go over to blend, and you can leave the mode on like default and everything. And all I want to do is firstly set the opacity to 0 on the first one. Then I'm going to press this insert keyframe. Now I'm going to go all the way to where this one like starts or this one ends. And then over here, I'm going to set the opacity to 100, and then it's going to put another keyframe there automatically. Now, once I go ahead and do that, what I'm going to do is with the start of my bottom clip, get that bit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Now I want to go ahead and drag this, like this, only the start onto the end of this one. Now it's on the end. So what I'm going to do is highlight this, and then at the very start of this clip, put the opacity to 0, put a keyframe right there, go to the end, put this on 100%, and the keyframe's now automatically there. Now I've got to highlight all 3 of these, right click, and I'm going to see create compound clip like so, and you'll be good to go.